If you love waterfalls, you found the channel. That's right, we gave you the Eternal Flame Falls, secret spot with a natural gas flame underneath a waterfall. Then we took you to Watkins Glen. That's right, 19 falls, but the famous Rainbow Falls, and we were there for the rainbow. You've got to watch that video. We didn't stop there. We went to Letchworth, checked out the Middle Falls and the Upper Falls. That's the Grand Canyon of the East, a must-watch video. And today we're going to share with you the mighty granddaddy of them all, the Niagara Falls in New York, and we're going to spend some time at the state park on the American side. Also, check out our Maid of the Mist video. It is wonderful, and you're going to like this video. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments below, and here you go from Niagara Falls, New York. We've got another great video for you today from How to Have Fun Outdoors. That's right, we were in Buffalo, New York, headed north to the Niagara Falls State Park in Niagara Falls, New York. And wow, did we have a great time. The Canadian border was shut down, so we spent all day on the USA side. And we had a local tour guide to help us out, our buddy John, who lives in the area. And he highlighted how the American side is actually better than the Canadian side. You get to see all three falls. That's right, the American Falls, the Bridal Falls, and also the Canadian or Horseshoe Falls. And boy, did we have a great time. Lots to do. Over 600,000 gallons a second go over these waterfalls. It is remarkable. These things are colossal, a must-see. Definitely hit, this needs to be on your bucket list for sure. We also checked out the Maid of the Mist, and we just had a fun time all day checking out all the different shops and all the different waterfalls. And definitely check out our Maid of the Mist video, and we'll show you a little bit of that on this. It got crazy and we had some fun. But overall, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments down below. Tell us which one you think is better, the Canadian side or the American side. Don't make your judgment until after you watch this video. And here you go from Niagara Falls. Hey Alice, how are you doing?
Awesome!
Yeah? So guess what? I was thinking right over here looks really good if you want to do some swimming.
Are you trying to get rid of me?
Hey! All right.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Niagara Falls in New York. Here we are above the falls where all the rapids start. And don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and follow us today visiting the Niagara Falls.
All right, let's do it. Let's check out the Niagara Falls. To
Niagara Outdoors!
Yay!
Like most people, they come to the Niagara Falls and they only see the U.S. side right here. But right next to that is the Bridal Veil Falls, which is quite interesting, but you have to cross the river to get there. And then also you can get right up to the Horseshoe Falls, which most people see in Canada, but you can see it in the U.S. The interesting side of the whole falls experience is going over to the park side, which is a natural park. And experience Three Sisters Island, Goat Island. There are other places at the falls to experience that's more of outdoor activities.
I love that. We should really try to go. What do you think, Tommy?
I say let's go. Let's do it.
All right. Thank you, Johnny, for the great ideas.
Let's
make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
All right. Take it.
I'll buy.
Aww, thank you, Johnny. All right, Johnny, once again, why are we taking the trolley?
Because Tommy's out of shape.
Oh, that's no good.
How far are we walking to this thing?
Thank you.
We were actually already here for John. Look, she's got the map. Got a nice map.
Yeah, we got a map, didn't you?
No, how come we didn't get a map?
Well, we have Johnny, Tommy.
Johnny, come on.
Yeah, you have me.
Tommy, I'm hungry. It's almost 5 p.m. and I still didn't have
All right,
lunch.
I-
mean, I'm hungry.
I spent all the money on the trolley. You know that.
Well, find a way.
All right. So let me try to sell this. I'll try to sell it. Hey, sir. Hey, I got, look at here, a nice band. You get on this trolley, and it's $10.
No, that's a scam.
That's a scam. What? Oh my! Hey!
All right, so we just took the trolley all the way from here in the observational tower, down around across Green Island, over to Goat Island. That's right, Goat Island. And then from there, we just got off the trolley here. And one of the most missed falls at Niagara Falls is actually right here, the Bridal Falls. It's fantastic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over to the Bridal Falls, check that out, and then after that, we're gonna come all the way back over here to the Terrapin Point, and we're gonna see Horseshoe Falls. Phenomenal from the American side. Most people miss this. And then from there, we're gonna actually, as you can see, we're gonna come down here to the Three Sisters Islands, and this is also magnificent. Most people don't go there. So lots of great secret spots to check out Niagara Falls. And right now, when you look at the section we're in, we're right here. We're gonna walk around and we're gonna come right in here to the Bridal Falls, the American Falls, and we're gonna go on to this Luna Island. That is a great place to go. Make sure you check it out. Come with us. Hey, Alice,
Oh,
come on, we gotta go. John's waiting for us.
yeah, but I'm so hot.
You're hot.
Yeah, very
Well,
hot.
down here, look at this. This is beautiful. What I would do is just go in there and swim a little bit. Why don't you go ahead?
Oh yeah, it looks so nice.
Yeah.
All right. I wonder where Alice went. Look at that. Wow, look at that, huh? The American Falls right there.
No, Tommy D, I'm not gonna go and swim in there.
Ah, come on. Don't you want to cool down a little bit?
Hey, check this out. attention, Tommy, when you go there.
I'm gonna get a nice picture.
Pay attention, Tommy. Pay attention. Oh, you're falling. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. How are you doing?
Tom, here's the ticket price.
$25.
Yeah, it's 75 for the three of us, Tommy.
75 for the three of us.
All right.
Yeah, I got my wallet.
What do we do with $2, Tommy?
Tom, I'll pay.
Thank you, Johnny. All right, Johnny. Why are you not getting ready?
No, we're in a poncho.
Oh,
Buffalo.
tough guy. Look at him. What are you doing, Tommy?
All right, here we go. We got some real young Maid in the Mist participants. All righty, let's do it. We made it!
Yes, we survived. It was such a tough ride, but we are strong. and here we are.
All right, if you love the video, hit the subscribe button and definitely give us a like. And thank Johnny, he got us out here. He knows the owners.
Thank you, Twins, for being such great contributors to the community of Niagara Falls and the Buffalo area.
All right, you heard it from Johnny, and what a day on the Maid of the Mist here on the U.S. side, and wow, what a trip that was.
It was really great. I'm impressed. Come on, did you see the time? It's 7:30. 2 hours later and I still didn't have lunch. I mean, now it's dinner time. There is a nice Italian restaurant chef. Can we go there? Can we do something?
I told you I gave away all the money. I bought you trolley tickets, went on Maid of the Mist in Niagara Falls, and you know the only thing I still got my band. I can try to sell that.
Yeah, do that.
Thank you, sir. Come here for a second. So I got this really nice band, and for Niagara Falls, I know this is Buffalo, but and you're probably going to dinner, but tomorrow you can use this band, and you can get into the trolley and ride free all day. So
No,
great deal.
Give that back. No, he's trying to scare
Get out of
you.
here! Have fun outdoors.
All right, thank you for watching.